Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes.
Let's go to the park today. Sunny sky and games to play. Running, jumping, laughing, fun. Come and play, everyone play, play. In the park so bright. Happy kids from left to right. Clap your hands and spin around. Smiles and laughter all around. Slide goes down, up the swing. See the birds and hear them sing. Kick the ball, count to 3. Playing happy, you and me. Play, play in the park so bright. Happy kids from left to right. Jump up high, touch the sky. Wave your hands and say hi. Red ball, green tree, fun for you and fun for me. Laugh together, share and care. Happy moments everywhere. Play, play, park is fun. We all play till day is done. Bye bye park, see you soon. Sing this song and smile again.
Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes.
Let's go! Let's go!
To the beach today. Animals are here to laugh and play. Elephant walks on the sandy shore. Splash, 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 he wants some more. Doggy runs by the blue, blue sea. Woof, 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 happy and free. Kitty builds a sandcastle tall. Meow, 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 she loves it all. Birds fly high in the sunny sky. Fish go splash as they swim nearby. Clap your hands and spin around. Happy animal friends all around. Play